Generative AI is now a common term, but has it affected us software engineers? Let's find out in this video. I'm a software engineer myself with a decade of industry experience, and I'm currently working in a Silicon Valley tech giant. I'm still employed, so that means AI hasn't affected me badly yet. I've been asking around to my friends in the industry and reading and learning and trying to understand where the software engineering is heading. I posted a video a couple of months back about this very thing, that I have discussed how we are moving away from a data fetch system to a data generation system. I'll add a link to that at the end of this video. How far are we from achieving this? Not even close. AI cannot replace software engineers in the foreseeable future. And there are 3 reasons why. Number 1 is reliability. Generative AI is not reliable yet. So if the output of a system is not accurate, companies cannot use it in critical systems. Number 2, generative AI still needs to talk to the legacy systems, and companies cannot just change it overnight. The transition will take time. And the third and the most important point is, software engineering is not just about programming. There is requirement gathering, there is quality checking, there is verifying, releasing, documenting. And most importantly, a software engineer needs to understand what to change and where to change. AI is not capable of doing that yet. In the middle of the AI hype, we all thought that software engineering as we know it is dead. But that's not true. Do you agree or disagree? Comment it down below. Also subscribe to not miss another update.